I'll show you how to fit one of our Turbotune modules to Mercedes B180 CDI. Put the module in there for now. Before we start, if you're ordering mail order, I may ask you if it has Bosch or Delphi ECU, because there is a choice on some of these engines. The 180 is normally Bosch. But just to verify it, if you come round here with the camera, you'll see on the side of the fuel pump here is written Bosch. So if I ask you to verify it, just look on there, make sure it's written that there's Bosch stamped on it. Okay, fuel rail runs along the back of the engine on these, and it does look quite tricky to fit, but it's actually fairly straightforward. If you look down this side of the engine, just below the oil filter, if you look down into there, you'll see the fuel pressure sensor that my finger's touching there now. Make life easy, what we're going to do, just move the header tank out of the way. Pops out this grommet, slip this off, and what you want to be doing, just drop that down out of the way. And then now you can see, you can get your hand in here to the fuel pressure sensor. Now there's a small catch on here, a lock and tab that you need to flick out with a small screwdriver. Flick that out. So all we're done there was flicked back the small grey lock and tab and then pressed it down to release the catch. So now we've got the Turbotune wiring harness. We'll click one end of it into the fuel rail. You see it going in there, and you'll hear it click home. Push this all the way home and then push in your lock and tab and just give a nice pull on the connector to make sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, nice little spot on here for the Turbotune module to mount. We've already cleaned it off with some solvent. Nice and tight under there. Okay, you've got the on-off switch. So that puts the engine back to standard without needing to remove the module. You only ever do that when the engine is switched off. So we're going to leave the module switched on. We have low, medium and high for low down torque, and low, medium and high for brake horsepower. All we'll have to do next is secure up a couple of cable ties on your wiring harness. Refit your header tank. Next stage is start the engine, let the engine idle for 30 seconds before touching the throttle or trying to move off. Once you've done that, job done, go for a drive and enjoy the extra power.